Run after him. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Take him. Alright, so how's it going, guys? I'm currently on the way to the public hunting lands, and I'm taking my dad's car today. My truck's in the shop. And yeah, it's the season opener, and let's get to it. Doing it in the little car. Okay, guys, we just pulled up. I'm kind of pulled off to the side, and I'm hoping I'm not in the way of anybody. Alright, so I'm gonna back out. Just made it into the trail. I'm gonna get a little bit further back here, obviously. Guys, there's tons this morning already. Moving up there and all throughout the tree. I'm gonna get to my spot though. I see them right there. Two down, baby. 8 to go. Heck yeah. I'll do you adrenaline rush. I'm just sitting here trying to figure out. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's the second one. Oh, boy, yeah. 2 squirrels, baby. Oh my gosh, guys. Just found the squirrels. Whew. Both are dead as a doornail. Dead on impact, dude. Actually not bad size, guys, at all. Pretty average. That one's actually a little bit bigger. These are like actually country squirrels. Like, y'all probably used to seeing neighborhood squirrels. And you know, town squirrels, these things are out in the middle of nowhere. So that's a pretty decently sized little 2 of them. Yeah, that Mossberg be putting the work in, boys. I say we go for some more, shall we? We got 8 more to go. And actually later in this video, I'll probably be leaving here at like 11. It's like 9 right now. I'll probably be leaving here at like 10:30 or 11. Coming back later with Xander. I'll link him in the description. Alright, we're gonna use this squirrel call and see if we can pull any more squirrels up. The way I just killed those squirrels is I walked in, realized where they were playing with each other. And when they're chasing each other, they don't look. They don't look. So I snuck up on them, heel to toe, got up maybe 25 yards, blasted them. It's got a modified in it. One down. Okay, so guys, update. I have been looking for like 30 minutes. I've rewatched the video like 5 times. And like, I can't find him. He didn't make that fall, dude. There's no way he made the fall. Okay, guys, just made it back up to the road. Let's pull up to the spot real quick. All right, we just made it in. I'm about to get my bag out. And we gonna head in. The squirrels are right there. God, I'm pissed I couldn't find that third one. Okay, guys, the rush is like over. It's 11 p.m. I'm gonna scout this area. We got corn growing here. See if I can see anything. Most likely not. And yeah, I'm gonna head back, take a little break. And yeah, I'll cut back to y'all when me and Xander come back out here. Stuff's crazy. Guys, I was just walking through thinking about how fun it would be to crow hunt this. I've heard a bunch over in that cornfield. When crow season opens up, I'm gonna come here and blast them. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that, and what else you want to see. Okay, let's see his police shotgun. So what is it?
It's a Remington 870 Police Magnum.
Are you loading birdshot?
Yeah. No, I'm using double lock for squirrels.
Police Magnum, dude, that's actually crazy. Rack that thing back, bro. I think Xander might see one.
I should be able to hit it. Alright, fire in the hole.
Go. Jeez. He ain't in there. Look at this tree that got struck by lightning, guys.
Look, there's chunks of the tree over there, dude. They got blown like 20 foot away.
I don't have more of a punch. We just found someone's corn stockpile. Someone's been baiting deer back here. Yeah, I know they always bed there. Someone's been baiting. Dude, that's actually crazy. Run after him. Let's go. Let's go. Fucking go. We're not losing him. Take him. Take him. That gun's gonna be so loud. Hold on.
He answered.
You wanna take him? Yep. Take him. Oh my god! He went 10 yards. He went 10 yards. Oh. We might have to leave him. I might have to blur that out. Holy. That's from you.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Let me get a picture, bro, because that's freaking.
Man, your senses. I said, hey, he delivers too.
Quick.
Yeah, like.
Alright guys, we just made it back to the truck. This is going to be all for today's video. If you like this type of content, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button. Make sure you go follow my Instagram, linked in bio. And yeah,